Today is January 10th, 2025. I have booted into vanilla dpup 64 puppylinux, and today I want to show you how to control volume with a keyboard shortcut in using this puppylinux. So first thing, we should mention that over the volume icon, you can always middle mouse scroll wheel will raise the volume and lower the volume. So given that, I prefer a keyboard shortcut, and usually I use ALT up arrow or down arrow to raise the volume up or down, and we can do that with this command of editing this jwmrc-personal file, which is in root and .jwm. So we'll just open the rocks and minus key, and then because it's Control H, we want to see .jwm. So this folder here, and we're gonna put this into geany editor so we can take a look. So if you take a look down here toward the end, it has several lines of controlling the volume, mute, raise volume, and lower volume. And this is on a default. It actually works with my keyboard, and you can go ahead and I have to use the function key and volume up here, special key, so you can see that the volume goes up and goes down, and then mute also works with see here, toggle. But I prefer just to have a regular ALT up or down key. So what we can do is just go ahead and add down here. I've cheated a little bit, and then we can add these two lines here. We'll copy, put it on a personnel here, and then so we can save it. And then obviously you have to make sure there's no ALT and up or down arrow key in here, but so there isn't. I already checked, so that's all gonna work. And the next command you need though is to go ahead and reread the change the JWM configuration file, and you do that by JWM -restart ampersand sign. So it's reread the changed the file. So exit, and now we're going to adjust the ALT up key. So it's pretty high up already. So ALT down key, you can see that it goes down and up. So that's how you can change. Obviously, if you have a fairly complicated, or if you're using other distros or other puppylinux distros, for example, this may look a little different, but you can go ahead and try to, if you're having trouble in any way, you can troubleshoot by just right-clicking and then preferences, and you'll come to this, and then you can take a look at overall configuration. I have a headset that I'm using right now to record, because it also has a microphone input, and I have a separate USB card, and here's one from motherboard sound, and I turned that off. So, and then right now we can go to input services, and headphone microphone is being used to record this, and output I can also hear through the output here on the headphone, and then so we can quickly check the so let me just open up rocks file again. We'll check the headphone, and I realize you won't be able to hear it, but rocks root downloads. So here is a file I put in, WAV file. So this WAV file will just play with a play command. So we can just say a play two barks wave, and then so I can hear the barking on my headphones. So that's how you can control the sound volume in puppylinux, particularly in vanilla depup. So if you, for some reason, you're not having that, this command doesn't work for you, the other command I would recommend is just go ahead and try PCM. You may be in PCM may work for you with the same key if the master doesn't work. If not, then you may have to troubleshoot a little bit further with a play command or else a mixer, but that's a little bit beyond the scope of this video. I hope that's been helpful.